After having lunch, we decided to go for a sightseeing. The first destination was Sitakund Waterfalls. It is approximately 8 to 9 kilometers from the hotel and 3 to 4 kilometers from Pithabata. It's around 200 meters trek from the parking place to the waterfall. This beautiful place is within the forest buffer zone. It was getting dark and almost sunset time, but also we need to go to the second destination. Our second destination was Baldiha Dam. It is situated in the River Palpala, locally also called Lulung River.
We are going down. यहाँ पे सीढ़ी किया हुआ है.
There are 4 gates in total, among which 2 were open at that point of time. Though we missed the sunset by few minutes, but the beauty of this place was superb. This is how the forest looks like at night, as it got pretty late for us to return to hotel.